ever foldable iPhone has reached an entirely new level. Renowned tipster Sahil Karul has shared an exclusive hands-on look at what are believed to be dummy units of the highly anticipated iPhone Ultra Fold, giving Apple fans and tech enthusiasts an electrifying preview of what could become one of the most groundbreaking products in Apple's history. In the first video, Sahil reveals a stunning black color variant that immediately steals the spotlight. Featuring a premium matte finish, sharp and refined edges, and an ultra-sleek foldable design, the device looks incredibly futuristic and sophisticated. Adding even more visual appeal is its distinctive pill-shaped camera module, which houses two rear cameras and gives the phone a bold, premium, and innovative character. Not long after showcasing the black model, Sahil unveiled a second dummy unit finished in a gorgeous white color. While retaining the same foldable design, the white variant offers a cleaner, more elegant, and minimalist look that feels exceptionally premium. Its bright finish enhances the device's sleek appearance, making it especially attractive for users who appreciate a refined aesthetic. Both dummy units appear remarkably thin, stylish, and luxurious, suggesting Apple could be placing enormous emphasis on portability, craftsmanship, and premium build quality for its foldable debut. These are only dummy units based on leaked details, so the final iPhone Ultra Fold may look different at launch. Still, the hands-on videos give an exciting early glimpse of Apple's foldable plans. If accurate, it could mark a major design shift in iPhone history and reshape Apple's role in the growing foldable market, with global excitement rising fast. Wait, is Apple's first foldable iPhone finally real? We still don't know whether Apple will call it the iPhone Fold, iPhone Ultra, or something completely different, but excitement is growing fast as the company is widely expected to unveil its first foldable iPhone later this year. Thanks to new dummy unit images shared by Sonny Dixon, we now have our clearest look yet at what Apple's revolutionary foldable could look like. The device is expected to feature a stunning 7.8-inch inner display when unfolded, offering a screen area similar to an iPad mini. As shown in the mock-ups, the front-facing camera appears positioned in the upper left corner of the display. Meanwhile, the outer screen measures around 5.5 inches. When folded, the phone looks slightly shorter and wider than current iPhones, creating a unique passport-style design. Apple is reportedly pairing the internal camera with two rear-facing cameras. Surprisingly, the device may skip Face ID entirely, relying instead on a Touch ID fingerprint sensor built into the side button for unlocking and Apple Pay. Another unexpected rumor suggests Apple could launch the Fold in only white, despite earlier reports pointing to both black and white options. Apple has introduced major new products with limited colors before, gradually expanding choices over time. The biggest selling point may be Apple's engineering. Multiple reports claim the foldable iPhone's display crease could be nearly invisible, potentially solving one of the biggest challenges facing foldable phones today. Combined with Apple's powerful iPad app ecosystem and upcoming software innovations, the foldable iPhone could become one of the most exciting product launches in years. The iPhone Ultra is coming this fall after years of leaks and rumors, and the excitement has never been higher. Apple's first foldable phone has already appeared in alleged real-world footage. Its specs have been widely leaked across the internet, and at this point, we feel like we already know almost everything about the new Ultra. But the latest information shifts attention to one breakthrough Apple has been quietly working on for 15 years, and it may finally land inside the hinge of the iPhone Ultra. The latest leak comes from Chinese tipster Fixed Focus Digital and strongly suggests that Apple will use liquid metal in the foldable hinge. The post, translated from Chinese, is being seen as a near confirmation. Earlier leaks from industry insider Ming-Chi Kuo also pointed toward liquid metal alloy being used in the hinge of Apple's foldable iPhone.